In this video, we show how you can create applications where you can allow the user to dynamically change the style at runtime. So you can see here we have a tabbed UI that's using the alpha style. And if we go here to our style picker, we can pick different styles that the user can choose from. So we'll go here and choose alpha dark green. And then you can see if we open up our grid, we see it's in alpha dark green. And if we go to our UX, it's also in alpha dark green, and the user selection is remembered. So if we exit the tabbed UI and relaunch it, you'll see that basically the color is remembered. So let's go back to, say, our grid here, and then change to, say, amber or red, or back to the default alpha, and then go back to, say, dark green. So the way in which this was done, you can see here we go to tab UI properties, and in the CSS section over here we have a property here called allow user to change style at runtime. If that property is checked, then you get the list of choices that the user can choose from, and you can basically add in any style that you want. But it's important to note that this feature only works with alpha and styles that are inherited from alpha. So you can't basically change a style to, say, GR red or GR purple. And you can also not change if the initial style was a non-alpha style. So then the next thing that you can do is you can specify here in this drop down what the style name is and also what the display name is. But by default, the display name is the same as the style name. And then you can basically put in a template for the selector. So we have a label that says component style, and this label is going to be on the left of the selector drop down. So you could change this to be on the right of the selector drop down if you're using a right to left language. So if we go back here into working preview, we'll see that the available choices is defined over there. If we go there, say alpha amber, that has been selected. Now this feature is also available in the UX component, but if you're using the feature in the tabbed UI, there's no need to enable it in the UX component. So you can see here that whatever style we've chosen is applied to all of the subcomponents that use an alpha theme or a theme that is inherited from alpha. So this feature is also enabled in PhoneGap applications. In a PhoneGap application, you would need to turn on the feature for the UX component. But the ability to allow the user to change styles at runtime gives the users some nice choices to customize their environment. Thanks very much for watching.